the money was calculated and the tax accrued on the money was removed. And the remaining
what?
On the money in that account.
I think what was the money about?
Let's play devil's advocate here. What was the money? Where did he get the money from? I think we should take it down there.
That's why I asked now. So where was the money from?
The honors was on those prosecutors, to determine that. But my argument is this: that some accounts were prosecuted, they found money in those accounts, and they check it very well. Those are experts, they are professionals. And in their calculation, in their findings, they discovered that this money were actually, they are proceeds of a legitimate business.
If the account is prosecuted, can you be immune from the account?
See, Mr. Victor, the point I'm raising is this: that they made findings about the money in those accounts, and they discovered that the money are not proceeds of any illegality.
Okay.
And they calculated the tax that is accrued to the money. Okay. Then they remove it and they return the remaining money to him.
Fine.
At this point, Mr. Victor, I'm extremely saddened and disappointed by the argument being put up by the APC man in the studio there, because it is ridiculous, it's unbelievable, it's preposterous, it's highly disgusting and detestable that he will sit in that place and be talking as if we are children. What kind of thing is this? We don't have conscience in this country, and that is why we are where we are. If he needs to defend his principle, it should be more profound. He should go and look for substance, not coming to tell us that it's tax. Does he know that tax evasion is a crime? Does he know? And he's sitting there, he's telling us that the account was what was. Well, man, how can you tell me that an account will exist by itself? Are we dumb? He also said they checked very well. Was it there? You don't believe in the process. You are telling us they checked very well. Is he telling us that those people he purportedly spoke about, does he know that it's not just one account? Who are involved in that account? Are they not old enough to own an account on their own? Must they own a joint account? You know what they do? Let me give you the breakdown. This is the way it is. He met those guys in the US. They were already in that trade. And they found him because he had a job with an organization that he claimed. And that gives a kind of cover. Then they use his account and were dumping the money there. Can he prove under whatever, whether he forfeited zero or nothing? How does that money get into that account without him having a hand on what led to that money being in that account? How?
2023 election is a battle between good and evil. It's a battle that the good people of Nigeria must win. We must win it. Because, you see, where I have problem is where he said that the electorate, that they have seen that Bola Tinubu is the right man for the job. Why? Why will you say that, sir? For what? A man that have not been coming for debate, for town hall. Listen, now we are politically aware. We support politicians out of conviction. So a man that has not been saying anything to the electorate, how can the electorate say that he is the right man for the job? On what basis?
The whole thing there is, I need that the APC man there to understand that if you have money in the bank, the IRS will not tax you. So we live here in America. If I work and my paycheck goes to the bank, even if it's accumulated to $20,000 or $1 million, as long as it came in through legitimate way, nobody will tax me. They already taxed the money before it arrived into my account. So nobody will tax me the money. The problem is that in Nigeria, maybe that's why the gentleman there is confused. We in Nigerians, we are not used to plea bargaining or plea deal when it comes to case. That's why he's confused. What Bola Tinubu did in this case is he is trying to do what we call in America wash money. There are some people that have car wash, laundry machine, independent contractors. Their money will be hard to calculate or to see how much they make. So what they do is they use those kind of people, most contractors, they use them to launder money. They use them to do what we call wash money. Let's assume, Victor, you do your own personal business. Like, let me use it in a small way, like you drive taxi. Nobody know how much, and people pay you cash. Or you do any business, you have a store, people pay cash. So what they do is, those people that do bad business like drug, right, or any kind of illegal businesses, what they do is they will come to your shop, give you money, cash in a lump sum, and say, hey, you give us this, you take this money and wash it for us, you take 20% out of the money, and they will give you the money, you pay the money into your account, like the money you sold out of your business, because you've been paid cash. So that's exactly what happened. Like, if you calculate how much Tinubu's salary, 2,400, 2,400 in a month, there is no way Tinubu can make such amount of money. So that money comes up from somewhere to his account. And the man is here telling us that Tinubu was not charged, it was the account that was charged. You try to ask him a question which is dodging from the question. Can the account be separated or separated from the person that owns it? It can never be happen. So basically, what Tinubu was trying to do, well, he was involved in the money laundering business or money washing business.
Okay, as you are sitting down there, so you mean now that government will just come and point at your account now and say you must forfeit this. You take your account to court. You say you are different from your account, and then they will now take the whole money from your account as you're here. Your ATM will not work anymore. And then you walk out as a citizen and walk away and tell us that, well, you know what, I'm different from my account, so there's no connection. And so, okay, I would like to get your account details, I beg. And let me call my accountant to see if he can draw out all your money. And then if we go to court, I'll tell them that you're different from your account. It's not possible now. The guy is culpable in this matter. You and I, we know. But the fact that it's been long or short is not an issue. It is established that for forfeiture, you cannot forfeit your money. Now, for you to even solve the case, it's simple. Tinubu, go and get evidences, receipts, invoices, and contract done, and bring it and present to that court. And all your money to the last kobo will be given out to you. IRA was not the people that took you to court. Their name was never mentioned. If it was tax, it's IRA that will come after you. Internal Revenue Agency. And they'll get all their tax money out. So it is not tax. Don't say tax. I know you're trying to choose your words. Leave tax alone. Tax has nothing to do with this. So let's establish that. It's like EFC coming for your money. If it is EFCC coming for your money, yes, it's EFC, it's money laundering, it's whatever. But if tax people, FIR, is coming to complain about you, then you know it's tax now, and they're the ones that can take you to court. Not EFCC on tax matter. EFCC doesn't have the right to disturb you on tax matter. It is them that will take you to court on tax matter. So let's separate these things and be clear. So for him not to go and for him to leave the money and let it go, let's not use for future because it becomes another problem. For him to say that money go, I will not go and present evidences to collect my money back, means that there's a question mark around that money. And again, for him to say that the same apartment where he stays, where those narcotic guys also stay, and for his mobile not able to defend the money that they had, for me, I end the story there. Thank you for your time, Victor.
So on this case, morally, medically, and otherwise, your principle is not fit to be president of Nigeria. It's not just because of this case already. There's so many cases already. It's not just the case of America. He's not fit to be president of Nigeria. And that thing that you people think that every time you say Emiloko, every time APC man is speaking in any network, you say, we are going to win this election. You know, that thing that that is making you people so confident of winning this election. We shall see by February how it goes. So your principle, he said he want to go to court for character assassination and the rest of them. Yeah, I'm happy. Let him go to court. We have Nigerian lawyers. Even though we know the system in Nigeria is corrupt, doesn't mean that we don't have decent and honest lawyers and judges.